How to watch video tutorials. This tutorial gives suggestions for watching video tutorials stored on YouTube using a Windows computer. Many suggestions also apply to watching tutorials on an Apple computer. This tutorial was prepared using Windows 10. If you notice any differences with your computer, you probably have a version other than Windows 10. To find out your version, you can right-click your My Computer symbol on the desktop and then select Properties. To pause and restart a YouTube video, click the symbol in the lower left corner. It's playing now. Click to pause, and now it's paused. Again, click the arrow to start it again. Click the pause symbol to pause it. To move back and forth on the video, hover the cursor over the progress bar near the bottom. A circle will appear. Click with the left button and drag that circle to advance the video or move it back. This particular video, there's not much changing on the screen. To change the volume of the playing video, hover over the speaker and then you can drag the volume indicator back and forth. You can also use the volume keys on your keyboard or on the Windows sound controls. You can also adjust the volume of a playing video with the mouse thumb wheel. They all work in conjunction with each other. To display the video in full screen, click this symbol right here. Now I'm only recording part of the screen, so you're not seeing much of the video here. There's the edge of the video, but again, I'm not recording the whole screen, I'm just recording part of it. To restore a video window that you've expanded to full screen, click the symbol in the lower right corner, which looks like this now when it's expanded. That restores the file to its original size. If you want to resize the video window, hover the cursor over any of the edges until it turns into a double-headed arrow. Then press and hold the left mouse button and you can drag that edge either direction to make the window smaller or larger. You can also do that by dragging the top edge. And you can do it by dragging the corner, at which point you can change both the length and the width by dragging in any direction you want. A tip for setting up to view tutorials. The computer and recycle bins are used in a lot of my tutorials. I really recommend you set Windows to always show those two icons at least. And the way to do that in Windows 10, right-click an empty area on your desktop, click Personalize, then click Themes, then click Desktop Icon Settings. This window pops up. The ones that are checked will always be displayed by Windows on your desktop, and I pretty much have them all checked. But you at least want to show your computer icon and your recycle bin icon. You may want to show the control panel. The user files icon lets you click it to show your files on your system drive. The network lets you look at the network settings if you want to change them. You might just as well show all those and have them come down the right edge of the screen like I usually do. There's some other things you can do with those icons that we're not going to go into here. You can change the way they look, for instance. If you make any changes to that screen, be sure and go down to the bottom and click OK. I haven't made any changes, so I go ahead and click Cancel. Now remember how this screen looked, because in Windows 7, you'll use the same screen to make those changes, but you won't get there quite the same way. In this video segment coming up now shows how to do that same change to get to that same screen on Windows 7. Right-click an empty area on the desktop, select Personalize, then select Change Desktop Icons. And that shows the same screen you saw from Windows 10. Here's a tip for watching a tutorial. pause and restart the video, watch part of the tutorial, and then recreate it, maybe to the side of it in an area you freed up on your screen. That's a really good way to learn from a video tutorial. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, I have over 100 videos on my YouTube channel. Please click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free, and subscribers are notified when I add videos. To visit my channel page, just click Thomas Wallace or click my picture.